I go in nature, I am I don't have to do anything in. Consider that in the same manner, mother cannot be punishing her. We're not out of her. We're always in her, with her. And it is our systems that make us think that we're not. So we use some of the techniques in, as Anneloes was saying, like the years, like fasting for a few 4 to 10 days. When you get to 10 days fasting, you start to see all sorts of things around people, around the trees, everywhere, if you keep on doing your ordinary daily task at the same time. But when you get into nature, after having done these sort of things for a long time, you just simply are one with nature. And therefore, if you are just simply one with nature, like me, I don't have the gift of hearing the noise, smelling the things, and all that. It just happened that the animals come to me. I don't do anything for that. I just simply, I am one with my natural nature. If automatically in at-one-ment, we are one. Nous sommes en intégralité. It's not separate. It is never separate. As one used to say, if there is any sin, it would be to think that we are separate. We're not. We're one. We're deeply and constantly one. And this is why sometimes by doing the fasting, the retreats and all that, we get back to this oneness. And this is our natural birth gift from Mother Nature. She has given us so many wonderful gifts that we're not looking at. We're looking everywhere else, but inside of us, inside of both of us, that is, which is one. As crazy as it sounds, it's two in one. We like to do the one in two, but the multiple a wholeness into a oneness, an atonement. So that's my share of this aspect of it. Of course, as someone is saying here, that the Shakti, or if we take it into the anima animus, and the energy, which is that when two beings are in harmony, they become one, and they can open doors that alone they would not have been able to. And this is why it is also more powerful when we're not just two, when we are several. The more we are together, the more powerful it becomes. Although I don't really like the word power, because it's not about power. It's something much more subtle than that. It's something like an inner harmony, which is at the same time outside. Some people might call it like the meso harmony, which is like the middle harmony. And if you look into the book, you will see that the special chapter that actually I read in French for those that hear it in French, where to reach the middle up. So, by finding between here and there, you wonder that our reality, Shambhala, it's a new, at the same time, it past, an eternal present by going into this all along in the book, all along in the ways to bring you closer. Come about a word like that, where you give something else, is something. Communion can also be the union, because people are coming together, but there is also in it not just coming together, there's also a third word in it, which is very important, especially for those that will still keep a little bit of the warrior in them. There's action. It's communion which will take us into action. So an action which is conceived by the communion, something that we might not have thought at all before. But now that we're all together, new things come, and we listen to them, and we try after that to get into the action of it. Thank you, Angus.